Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn about escape characters in C programming language. If you are a new beginner to programming, you will need to understand what escape characters means and how to make use of escape characters in C programming language. And it's not only applicable in C language, you also need it in other advanced programming languages like C++, like Python, like JavaScript and others. So escape characters as defined by the ASCII character set is also known as the backslash. So it's this backslash on our keyboard, on our laptops and on our computer that is being defined by the ASCII character set as the escape character. Now, one of the main importance of the escape character is that it tells our compiler and our computer that a special character follows. So these are some escape sequence characters we have in C programming language. So we have the double backslash. So if you want to print the backslash character, you make use of this double backslash. If you want to print a single apostrophe character, you make use of the backslash and the apostrophe. Same thing for the double apostrophe. So if you want to print a question mark, you need to make use of this escape character. And if in your program you want to ring an alert or a bell, make use of this backslash a. And if you want to make use of the backspace, make use of this escape character, which is backslash b. If you want to use the form feed, use the backslash f. And if you want to make use of new line, you are going to use this backslash n and several others like that. So we are going to make use of, we're showing you some examples on how to make use of this in our code, in our program in C. So let's jump back and let's go back to our program. So as you can see, I've created a file here, a simple C programming file. So I'm using Xcode, depending on which compiler, which ID you are using. Now we want to make use of this backslash character. So we create a simple main function which takes in two arguments, and then we create a printf function without declaring any variable. My name is awoyemivictor. So if I want to print out like a single backslash, so all I need to put is this double backslash character, and if I should run my compiler, so you can see here that it prints out this single backslash. So this double backslash is telling the compiler that we want to print just a single backslash. Now take for instance, I want to print my name is awoyemivictor, but I want to put X here. So you can just write it like this, backslash single apostrophe and then S. So if I should run this program now, you can see it add apostrophe to my string, and it add the S. So this backslash single apostrophe is telling the compiler that we want to print out a single apostrophe, and the same thing for double apostrophe as well. If I should run the compiler again, you can see it prints out the double apostrophe. Now, if let's take a look at another example. Probably I want to print a new line. I want it to be I want my name is to print on a new line and then followed by another line. So I can use \n and then let me compile and run. So you can see the program prints my name is and then it goes to the second line and prints awoyemivictor. Now probably you want to use a tab. I can just use \t and run the program again. So you can see that it creates a tab space here and before printing the rest and probably you want to we have another special character. We call it the not terminating character. So this not terminating character, it tells the compiler that we want to end or want to exit our string text. So it is \0. So anytime you use \0, you are telling the compiler that you want to stop running or everything here. You don't want to the compiler to print it out in C programming language. So let's try to run this program again and compile it. So as you can see now, it only prints my name is and the remaining text here, string text here, was not printed and by our compiler. So these are some of the basic simple escape character sequences which you need to be familiar with in C programming language. And like I said, it's not only for C programming language, we also need escape characters. It is being used in C++, in Python, in Java, and several other programming languages out there. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I publish new video. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day.